Hello, everybody. This is Stephen Whitfield with Drilling Contractor here on the exhibition floor at the 2024 Abu Dhabi International Petroleum Exhibition and Conference, also known as ADIPEC. We're at the AIQ booth with Saravan Penubarthi of AIQ. We're going to be talking a little bit about the company, some of its offerings, and a little bit about AI in general. As you would guess in the name of the company, that AI plays a big part in their offerings. So, Saravan, thank you so much for joining me today.
Always a pleasure.
So I guess, maybe, AIQ is a company that does a lot, but maybe our viewers might not all be 100% familiar with what you do. So can you tell us a little bit about the company and kind of what areas it focuses on?
AIQ is an AI company that is specifically focused on energy transformation. Over the last 4 years, we have built more than 14 products with 16 patents, specifically transforming the operations across the energy value chain from upstream to downstream and subsurface to transportation.
So, you guys focus on AI. We're here in the Middle East, obviously, and, a lot of talk here at this conference about AI. There's a whole big tent that's devoted specifically to AI. Can you tell us sort of what kind of value AI can provide specifically? We can talk about specifically within this region, but also just in general with drilling in this region. How does it provide value?
You're absolutely right. It's no longer a secret that AI is transforming operations across the value chain. If you see specifically what AI brings in terms of the value to the industry, it's 4 specific areas. It's improving the efficiency, making sure the production is optimized, and also making sure that it's taken care in a sustainable manner, and not the least, safety is taken care. So AI brings onto the table of production optimization, efficiency, sustainability, and safety.
So we're standing here in front of a demonstration for one of your offerings, RoboWell. Can you tell us a little bit about what this is?
RoboWell is a game-changing cutting-edge technology that is built here in UAE and specifically by AIQ. So what we do in real time, we are using artificial intelligence to control the production and the choke points of the wells in real time, which used to be a complete manual process before with humans adjusting the wells in real time. Now it's taken care by the machine learning models to make sure that we still have the same set of production but in a complete safe environment. Now this technology is a game changer, has been deployed across hundreds of wells here in the region, and AIQ is really moving the technology from labs into production at scale.
So RoboWell is one solution. I've lost count of how many solutions you have here at this booth. Can you tell us about some of the other offerings that you have with AIQ?
As I said before, we have offerings across the energy value chain. So RoboWell is specifically focused on production. But if you see the products that we have products that focused on predictive maintenance and asset integrity. So that has focused on corrosion and making sure AI predicts the corrosion much before it happens, and making sure we have the predictive maintenance solutions that actually identifies the equipments before it gets malfunctioned, making sure that the replacement can be taken care in a much faster time. And along with that, we have solutions that are specifically focused on subsurface. We have one of the promising solution called as Advanced Reservoir 360. Advanced Reservoir 360 is by far most intelligent reservoir management system available globally. So we get all the insights from the reservoir into one specific solution with cutting-edge machine learning models. We simulate the scenarios and we give the insights to the subject matter experts within a click of a button. And along with that, we have solutions specifically focused on drilling. We have 3 specific products in the drilling solutions category that focuses not only on the optimization of the drilling, but also making sure that the anomalies are caught in real time. Imagine if there is real-time insights to a driller as it happens with what's going wrong on the field. This is where our OptiDrill solution will come handy. Along with that, we are also going to focus on integrating Gen AI into all our product line. We also have a product that focuses on safety. Today we have a product which is AI-enabled HSE called as Smart Eye that not only does the incidents but also gives the advisory in real time. This solution is so scalable that it is deployed in one of the customer today as we speak, and which generates more than 1 billion insights. Currently, this solution is in the scale-up phase for more than 4 different customers.
And lastly, like I mentioned earlier, AI has been such a big topic of discussion here at this conference. You've got, I don't know how many booths out here talking about different AI technologies, including this one. Why do you think this region has become such a hotbed for AI development?
I think if you see the region, Middle East and especially UAE, has always been an adopter and a fast adopter for the innovative technologies. And that's what happened with AI as well. And what the region has been specifically doing, which I really like a lot, is they're not only talking about it, they're also taking actions with it. Where it comes to the regulatory bodies coming up with the right decisions, governments infusing the right investments at the right time, and not the least, even the adoption of the technology by the industry is by far the best compared to the peers, especially when it comes to energy. Now, what the region has been doing is also moving into a shift from augmented intelligence to autonomous operations. So they are not just using AI just to do predictions, but also making sure the predictions are also getting acted and integrated into the operations. This is by far the biggest game changer in terms of what's going to see the shift in terms of where the things will go.
Well, Saravan, thank you so much for giving us all this insight, letting us know a little bit about AIQ and kind of where everything's going out here in this region. So we appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's always been a pleasure.
And thank you for visiting Drilling Contractor.